If you want to connect any Bluetooth device to your POCO C85, what you need to do is you need to open Settings on your phone. After that, we're gonna open Bluetooth. So let's go to Bluetooth in here. Of course, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and then we can turn on our Bluetooth device, and if possible, put it into the pairing mode. If not possible, then just make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to anything else. And then on this list of available devices, you should be able to find your Bluetooth device. If not, then just wait for this icon to disappear, then it will be replaced with the refresh text, so then you can refresh the list of available devices, and hopefully then you should be able to find your Bluetooth device. There we go, so I'm gonna select them. Let's try again. And then of course confirm that you want to pair. And after a couple of seconds, your Bluetooth device should be connected to your POCO C85. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.